Hi, I'm Rich Chu, president of LiCAP. We are here at a battery show, very excited to showcase our innovation product. We are full stack dry electrode developer and manufacturer. We start on the dry electrode manufacturing, but also we produce ultra-capacitor and directly working with OEM tier 1 battery manufacturer use our key to active dry electrode to power their battery technology and production. The energy is really high in the trade show. I want to showcase a couple products we offer. One traditional ultra-cap product. We have over 30 customers using our product in their critical application. Very excited to continue help support. One product we want to really highlight today is the active dry electrode roll-to-roll. And the reason I want to say the freestanding film dry electrode is this is actually very first in the industry. We leverage California Energy Commission support. We built 300 megawatt line in California with domestic manufacturing the active dry electrode freestanding film. Customer like Nissan, Salesforce, a bunch of others, leverage our product capability built into their long-time auto launch plan 2028 and beyond, and we're excited working with them. I want to just point out a couple things compared to the wet processing in the past. You have to have a large facility, a lot of machine, because you produce the product using the toxic solution that you dry out. It's a very long process. Now, compared to what we use, dry electrode, we shrink the facility machine to large extent because we don't use toxic solution at all. And by leveraging that, we substantially reduce costs, not only the initial CapEx cost, but also ongoing operational costs. In addition to that, we completely eliminate all the environmental challenge with wet processing. So we deliver high performance, cost efficient product, and we're looking forward to working with additional customer partners who are interested in our technology. Come to visit our website, chat with the folks here in the trade show, and we'll be happy, excited to discuss how we can help you support your product, your capability, and be part of your solution.